I got it. Okay, first of all, I'm renting a truck right now because I thought my car, yeah, it's big, but for this Diddy move, one, you'll get money back, and two, I could do it in one go. And this is only like $50 they quoted me, or $60 for the day. I'm like, that's all I need. Might as well. So, and it's only me. Everybody else is at work, and I probably could have asked, but I'm like, I just want to get it done because I have leave in a couple days. Anyway, it was too much. So yeah, so next is just me putting everything in this truck back there. They said they have to clean it because they said it's dirty. I don't care. But it is dirty. I don't know why, but I don't care. Next, I just need to look for a truck. What am I looking for? A truck so I can weigh it empty and then weigh it full. So we'll see what happens. I can't believe they're letting me drive this. It's a big old 16. All right, here I go. 16-foot truck. I'm about to drive it. All right, so new things in the work. One, the table, the coffee table. She was like, you can come get it today. I was like, great, thank you. Two, I am moving all my stuff today, doing that. Oh my gosh, it's gonna take a minute. But yeah, it's gonna take a while, but I'm excited. I got all day to do it, and then I gotta go get that table later today. So yeah, it'll be fun. I love it. Nice. So, woo! I just feel like it's a lot, but I'm excited to get out of this room. I just want to say, it is 3. Wait, is it? No, it's 5. I started at 2. My back hurts, but I've got a lot done. Okay, I got a lot done. I'm not gonna be able to get the table today. I already texted her, the lady on Facebook Marketplace. I was like, I'm so sorry we're playing cat and mouse. I'm moving. Can I please come get it tomorrow? Because mind you, it's an 1.5-hour drive. So I'm gonna forget that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up. I have my door open, people are walking by. But anyway, I'm gonna finish up, go weigh this truck when I'm done, and then go unload everything at my place. And I still have to take some videos for like with the rooms empty, so I can show you guys. Might not be the prettiest, might not be real estate quality. I tried in the beginning for like the hallways and some of the closets and the living room, but not, I don't know, for the bedrooms and the kitchen. I'm gonna try before I go in there. So I'm almost done, kinda. My friend said she might be able to help, but she's got 2 babies, so I'm not. I'm just gonna in my head, I'm just gonna say like I have to finish it myself, which I'm not, it's not too bad. It's been 3 hours and I got a lot done. I'll show you. Hold on. Ow. So look, like, boom, all this is pretty much empty. And then up there, everything in the drawers and the closet is empty. So that's pretty good for little less than 3 hours by myself. I'm sweating. I was running in the beginning because I thought I was gonna be able to go, but that table is 1.5 hours away. So she's here. Oh, I love you. Thank you. Okay, cool. That's great. All right, so my friend's here to help. Thank you. If you're gonna have some friends, if you need more friends, get military friends too, all right? All right, here I go. I'm back. Thank you, thank you. I've got a crap ton left, but a lot done, and yeah. Good job. Thanks. Here we go. She's here. Thanks. Say hi. Say thanks. All right, let's do this. Okay, so everything I can. That's it, y'all. Look at this. Look at this room. Thank you. Thank you, my friend. That took like 4 hours and it was not that bad, actually. So, wow. I'm kind of sad, but kind of very happy. Actually, I don't think I'm sad. Bye. The memories. That's it. Just the memories. Goodbye. Oh, wait, no, I gotta be walking out. My knees. My back. My knees. Oh shoot, that's not good. Let's do it. Wait, do I have anything here? And then if you open this, it's a big closet. Y'all, I just finished cleaning my dorm room with literally 10 minutes to spare, maybe 11, okay? Not yesterday, the day before yesterday, I cleaned it all out, all my stuff, every drawer, every cabinet is empty. And I was like, it was from 10, 11, 12, 4 hours to clean this whole thing. And I did it. Yeah, I even took a little video so I could do a room tour, like when I leave here. Oh, I need to clean that, I think. Oh, let me get that. But other than that, I think I did a good job. Everything is cleaned. Nothing. Look at that fridge. That is spotless. Also, they're doing like a army something outside. I don't know. Do you see them over there? They're over there in that corner. Anyways. Well, oh my gosh. That is the end of this saga of living in a military dorm / barracks, but we call them dorms because we're in the Air Force. I'm done. I'm out of here. As long as they say I can go, I think I have to probably, if anything, they're gonna say like clean this spot, clean this spot. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, I can just tell little things, but like, maybe I'll just do that really quick, but not even. I think I'm done. I think I'm done, y'all. Last thing I have to do is go to the post office and tell them like, transfer all my my mail to base housing, to my house. And that's it, you guys. Wow. I've lived in this dorm since September of 2021, and it is April 2024. Wow, almost 3 years. 2 years and a couple months, however long that is. I have had some really crappy experiences in this room and really good experiences with friends. If you ever come here, if you got a humidifier, don't put that thing on full blast. The fire truck will come. That's happened to me twice. So, like I said, some crappy things and some really nice memories. So that is it, pretty much. I'll double check if they say you can't leave, but that's all, y'all. This saga of me living in the dorms has almost officially ended. And I look crazy. I've been up. Oh, y'all, I'm living on a mattress on the floor. My house ain't done, but oh, thank you, Lord. I didn't know if I was gonna finish. All right, y'all. They're about to come in like 5 minutes, so see you after that. Y'all, that's crazy. And that's what friends are for. Thank you to my girl. And also, 4 hours of moving. I thought it was gonna take, well, first I thought it was gonna take shorter. And then when I got there, I was like, oh, this is gonna take a really long time. But 4 hours is not that bad, y'all. And it started raining. So we're gonna go do what we need to do. We're gonna go eat something real quick and then we will, you know, finish up. So I woke up early to weigh this truck because I didn't know how long it was going to take me to take everything out of the truck into my house, and I have until 11 to return this truck. So I was like, let me wake up. And I woke up at 3 a.m. anyways because I'm still on like deployment time, so it worked out for the better. It's 4:30 right now. I'm about to get my weigh ticket and then start unloading this truck. Whew. Just got my ticket, got it re-weighed, or I guess it's a first weigh. So now that was easy. Okay, good. Still probably 4:30. That took like 5 seconds. Now I'm gonna go and unload. It's gonna be good, gonna be good. Let's go. Has like no more storage, but I just finished. I'm tired. It's 6. Almost died. I'm good. All right.